I just wanted to say, make sure you like this video, comment, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Hope you guys enjoy. All right, I have my valve cover ready with the AN lines for my catch can. I just have to remove this little windage tray from the old valve cover and put that on the bottom of this one, which does not have one. And then this valve cover will be ready to go on the car. All right, valve cover is repaired, refinished. Fittings are on the catch can. I just need to run my lines in between, put fluids in her, and she's ready to rock. T-minus less than a week till first start, baby. As far as race car stuff goes, doing AN fittings is not amongst my favorite. But surprisingly, this actually clears the hood some fucking how. At least it'll close. And I managed to get this all the way onto the AN line by hand without a wrench. Just got to tighten this down, and this end is done. And then I chose to use a barbed fitting on this end that I will clamp it with because I don't feel like doing 4 sets of AN fittings. Plus, I couldn't find a reducer because these are 8 AN on the can and 10 AN on the valve cover. And I needed to do a 8 AN female to 10 AN male, and I couldn't find one anywhere locally, and especially not in the blue and red, which is what I wanted. So I went with these instead, and I will just clamp these down onto the barbed fitting and we'll be good to go. So I got to get this cut and everything, and then I'll be ready. A little tip for AN fittings: if you wrap them like this in tape and replace them every couple of turns, you can use regular crescent wrenches and not screw up the finish. Like, that's just residual tape left on there. I can wipe that off. So yeah, that's how you put these on. And just like that, we got crankcase ventilation, boys. Yeah, buddy. AN fittings all around. That's how we do it. Yeah, you thought, Diesel boy. One of these things stands out a little bit from the others. M3, 392, Turbo Civic, E85 STI, Turbo Vet. Fun time. We about to roll out 600 horse STI, 700 horse Civic, 600 horse GTP, 500 horse Civic, 600 wheel horsepower Mark IV Supra. About to get it. Cruising out to Mexico. 600 horse GTP turbo, 680 horsepower STI are gonna get it. There we go. We're about to have a race between this STI and GTP, and then possibly between me and either this STI or a Turbo Civic. So we will see. A couple old Turbo 3.8 G bodies. You don't see that every day. Oh yeah. That's pretty. That is sexy. So Subaru took the dub on high boost, but trying to run it back with both cars turned up.